Hello and welcome to the topic Definitions of Literature. Literature as a reflection of life. What have writers said about literature? How has literature affected them? What causes writers to continue to attempt to make a difference with words, creating new worlds and experiences in literature? Generally, literature is defined as a reflection of life. It is regarded as an analysis of experience. According to Merriam Webster's Collegiate dictionary, writings having excellence of form or expression and expressing ideas of permanent or universal interest. Ezra Pound defines great literature is simply language charged with meaning to the utmost possible degree. Ryan McGinty opines, to me, literature is about the obsession with ideas. Matt Beachey speaks, literature is a way in which we can capture and interpret what has happened and is happening to us personally and to the world as a whole. Literature, this is a different term. What does it mean? The person who devotes himself to the study or writing of literature is known as literature. It's different from literature. Literature is an art, and literature refers to the person who devotes his life to the study or writing of literature. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.